In this video, we'll be showing you how to Ranger roll a t-shirt. The first step is to lay your t-shirt flat on an even surface. Then you're going to take the bottom seam and begin to roll it up about 1.5 inch to 2 inches on the shirt. Now this is the most difficult part of the entire process, but once you get it, it's easy rolling from here. So we're going to go ahead, try and just wrap this around, make sure that we get that fold from 1.5 inches to 2 inches. And once we have it there, then we're going to straighten out our shirt, make sure it's all looking nice and flat. Then we're going to take one side and fold it about 1/3 of the way across. So we'll grab it, fold it, and then once it's there, take that sleeve and straighten it out a little bit. After that sleeve is nice and folded, we're going to just try and even out our shirt here. As you see, the bottom crease did get a little messed up. We're going to go ahead and just fix that before we move on to the next step. So with the bottom now fixed, we'll take the other side and fold it again into thirds, taking that sleeve and putting it back nice and neat on the other side of the shirt. Now, once you have completed this step, next thing you want to do is rotate it to where the collar is facing you, and then begin rolling the shirt as tightly as you can. Now, it's really important that it's not loose because you're not going to be able to completely roll a loose shirt and it's going to make the whole thing just look sloppy. So roll it as tight as you possibly can, and you want to roll it over that end. As you see, I go right over the top. And once that is done, you're going to be looking for a little edge of the shirt that you can pull all around the entire thing like I'm doing here. This is basically just going to keep your t-shirt secure and rolled until you're ready to use it. And that is how you Ranger roll a t-shirt. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.